She don't know what's coming to.
You spin my...
You remember Carrie Daz, don't you?
Kerry Ellis?
Yeah.
She was out tonight, babe.
Dirty little fucking...
She was in DTs.
Yeah, I know. Dirty little fucking... Oh, that is my fantasy. Fuck her.
What's on his boob? What's on his boob in the middle?
Oh my god. What? Oh, she got me a drink, yeah? For £1.
She what?
What's
She
on
got-
his boobs?
Me a drink for £1.
She what?
She got me a drink for £1.
Hold your breath. Get rid of your hiccups. Turn this way a bit, mate, because I don't want you going pink in the face. And everything. He's Jolly falling asleep.
Oh, bloody hell. Come on, dog.
Jolly,
Yeah?
you're kind of crushing my leg, bro.
Sorry, mate.
Sit up, man.
I'm alright.
No, sit up.
What's this? What is that? Oh, your phone. Sorry.
Not actually my phone, mate.
Oh, how comes the woman? Oh, fuck's sake. Bloody hiccups. Take a piss. Will do. I'll come out there and find him and beat him up. They want to go one-on-one with a great one. They fucking do. I'll check them into Smackdown Hotel, mate. What's your name?
You spin my head round.
What did you say? It doesn't matter what you just said.
Sit up and do the rock thing.
Who?
The rock.
What about him?
Nah,
Do
no.
you smell what the rock is cooking?
If you smell what the rock is cooking. The rock says. Rock says people's eyebrows. People's eyebrows. Oh. Like that. Exactly like that.
Sit up and do that, man. Can't you already got to sit up anyway, man? 'Cause I'm
Nah,
gonna move in a
no.
minute.
I do me.
No, sit up, Jolly, you twat.
Hiccup. Oh, bloody hiccups. They got piss, don't they? They ought to fuck off. Oh, bloody hell.
Oh, who's that?
Ross.
Hello, mate.
We're having a big orgy, mate.